Did you know registering an FDI company in Nepal is only step one? Whether you're a foreign investor or part of a legal team, here are the key post-incorporation obligations every FDI company must complete under Nepalese law. Within 3 months of incorporation, several mandatory compliances must be completed. First, register the company's office address with the office of the company registrar. Second, form the board of directors in line with the articles of association. Third, appoint an auditor and notify the office of the company registrar within 15 days of the appointment. Next is the foreign investment injection. Transfer the approved foreign capital through SWIFT into the company's local bank account. Once the funds are received, obtain the investment inflow certificate from the bank. Submit this certificate along with the relevant board resolutions to the office of the company registrar to receive the official shareholder registry. If foreign personnel will stay in Nepal to manage or operate the company, business visas must be obtained. In addition, the foreign investment must be recorded with Nepal Rashtra Bank within 6 months. Failure to record the investment on time may create complications during future repatriation of profits or capital. The company must commence industry operations within 1 year of registration, with at least 70% of the approved capital injected. If additional time is required, an extension must be applied for before the deadline. The first annual general meeting must be held within 1 year of incorporation. After that, the company must file annual reports with the office of the company registrar, including audited financial statements every year. Tax compliance is equally critical. Maintain accounting and tax records for at least 5 years. File income tax returns on time. Pay advance tax installments as applicable. If the company withholds tax, monthly TDS statements must be submitted without delay. When planning to repatriate profits or capital, all applicable taxes must be paid and approval must be obtained from Nepal Rashtra Bank. Once approved, funds can be legally transferred abroad, even in a different foreign currency. For the detailed process, check the article mentioned in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.